Hello y'all, and today I'll be presenting the physics behind my mimic. And due to the mechanism behind my mimic being a spring-like motion, I'll be using Hooke's law, which is force equals negative spring constant times the distance compressed in my particular case. So we will be initially looking for force, which by using the original force formula, we will be deriving 2.72 newtons. Now we'll be looking for the distance compressed, which ends up being 0.03 meters or 3 centimeters. And finally, we end up looking for the spring constant, which ends up being 90.67 newtons per meter. And these numbers will help us derive the time required for us to travel our goal distance of 20 centimeters. Now we'll be looking for our energy output. And by using the work formula and as well as using the numbers derived from solving for Hooke's law, by inputting them to the work formula, we derive with negative 0.04 joules of energy. But turning that into kinetic energy, we result in having 0.04 joules of kinetic energy. Now we will be looking for velocity, and we will be doing that by plugging in those numbers into the kinetic energy formula, and by using simple algebra, we end up getting 0.54 meters per second as our final velocity. Finally, by using this final part, we end up looking for time, and we will be doing that by plugging those numbers into the distance formula, and because our actual goal distance is of 20 centimeters or 0.2 meters, we will plug it in right here into the distance formula, and by using simple algebra as well, we end up deriving with 0.37 seconds as our final time.